Yes, the devil is strong. Our fatherland is like this. To shove it a yard or two along the road to tyranny, a frown, a little cough is enough. But to drag it an inch along the road to freedom, you must harness 100 oxen and keep after each of them with a cudgel. What about the formalities of rehabilitation? If these are the forms which our mercy takes, just imagine what our cruelty is like. What an avalanche of rehabilitations there was, but even this could not crack the stony brow of our infallible society, for the avalanche fell not on the road along which you need only frown, but on that for which you must harness 1,000 oxen.